What's going on, guys? I'm back with another install, and today I'll be installing this ARB awning on the side of my Jeep, and it's about time. With all the camping I've been doing, this is going to be great to provide some shade and some privacy. Now, to help me with this install, I got my brother here with me.
What's up, guys?
Not only that, but I also ordered some custom goodies for my Jeep, so stay tuned to the end of the video if you want to see what that is. So let's go. Alright guys, now I had an epic fail when I tried installing this last week. So what I didn't know was that you're supposed to also order brackets to install this on your rack. So by the time I got to looking for the brackets, they're all sold out, and Gobi had a lead time of like 6 to 10 months. So F that. And well, luckily for me, gzilla came through and they have these brackets in stock, and were also cheaper than the Gobi brackets. As you can see, they clamp on a round bar, because all the other brackets that you find online is for those flat rack brackets, so they have those like rail mounted systems, and I have a Gobi, so Gobi has all the round poles. So yes, that's been a hurdle, but looks like this is gonna be a perfect fit, so excited. Let's see. Actually, can you go get me the screwdriver? I think the screwdriver will be better. Cool. Awesome. Thank you, sir. Right. Okay. Yeah. Sometimes, you know, the simplest form is the best form. Okay, cool. That's one down, two to go. Right there. Okay. Sweet.
Second one down.
Second one down. One more to go. And this one is probably the best right here.
I think it's good straight down.
Like this? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Alright, let's give it a shot then. Yeah, I was just debating that. It's like, should I put it flush against the rail? Because then that's easy to align all three, right? Yeah. And then it's like, but then I am worried about this little stub right here. Mm-hmm. But I guess we'll see. Yeah. So you're gonna be holding this. Yeah. Okay, that's good. That's good. All right. I'm confident. Okay. Yeah. So you'll just hold it while I bolt it from up there.
Okay.
All right. Let's try to line these up. Okay.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hell yeah, dude, that looks fucking dope. And there you have it, guys. ARB touring awning installed. And we're about to go to the park or something and test it out with the deluxe room package. All right, now before we head out to the park, I think it's time to name the Jeep, since it's starting to get a bit more character. So I got in some decals ready for my baby. Let's do it. Let's see, so I'm like 3 feet. Shit's like 20. 20, 36, 16 offset, 8 inches each. So 8-inch would be my starting reference. How does that look?
Yeah, and then you should have 8 inches remaining, right?
About so. Yeah, 8 inches.
Sound right, boys.
Dude, that looks dope.
It sound right, boys.
Alright guys, so we brought the awning out to the park to test out the awning. And as you can see, this is like a perfect scenario of where you would use that awning, you know? Go to the park, post out a little shade. Okay, not gonna lie, that caught me by surprise. Then, okay. So down here are like where the poles are hidden, and then they just extrude. Okay, boom, boom, boom.
So,
All right, guys, check it out. So we just finished setting up the awning, and it's looking dope. Look at that. Look at that. Lake right there. Awning right there. It's gonna rain, but we're covered. We're covered. So now you can bust out a little cooking table, start grilling here. You're set, man. You're set. Look, it even comes with a LED light right here that just gets connected. Actually, let's see if I can figure that out. All right, guys, so this is the power harness to light up this LED. So let me get this situated real quick. Woo. Luckily, the Jeep has a direct feed.
yeah.
Locked in, locked in. Okay, there's a switch. Woo! And there's light. That's so cool. And then I'd probably just figure out how to like have this on more streamlined for future use, but not bad. Or I'd probably have my little Go Zero battery and just have it like plugged in there and have like all the little lights mounted. Dude, this is so cool. Well, there you have it, guys. Sweet awning install. Baby girl has been named. All in all, good day.